What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company. So I haven't posted a video in like a while. Get out! Yeah, maybe because I'm sick. What do you mean I haven't posted a video in a while? Posted a video like yesterday. At least that's what YouTube says. Get it! Anyways, let's join our random code and start playing Animal Company.
I'm blocking you.
Who said that?
Wait,
Who said
okay,
that?
I'm blocking him. They're passing in the stash.
Give me team.
Yo, who said that they want this pt2 one?
You do. Yeah. Blue.
Yo, Frog, come on, let's team.
Can I
Let's
get
team.
you one? You'll try to.
Where's that Wookiee kind of Sigma though? Like what the?
John, 7, 8, 9, 10 for a trade.
Yummy sugar, get out! We close that. We close that. I got it. Yay! Get him! What is number 1 goal unlocked? We got a new item. I got disconnected. Just
Caramel is.
That's me. I'm a YouTuber. I got 1 subscriber. I'm gay.
That works.
Yo,
Okay,
you got
why not?
more subscribers than me.
Bananini.
I got negative 1.
I have 74.
Dude,
I got
negative riz. I got negative riz.
3.
Yeah,
Yo,
bro,
it's
Riz,
the
Riz,
same
you got
one, bro.
no
Riz
Riz.
is over there,
Yo,
look.
no Riz.
What's that?
You got no Riz.
Oh!
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. See, I'm gonna blow up.
Look at my wiener.
Yo, what's your channel name?
Absolutely nothing.
My channel name's Skibbity Toilet Fix.
Oh my God! Trade me that, bro. Trade me that.
That's Timmy
This guy's
Tiddler.
channel.
That's
Oh!
Timmy Tiddler.
I don't have a channel.
Why is that big banana?
You said
What
you
are
like
you
banana.
It's food, right?
Thanks for the big ass.
It's a fruit, though. It's banana.
Yo, you want this, bro? You want this?
You can't eat it.
Yo, bro, you want this?
Yeah.
Not you. You want it? You want it? Bro, I asked if you want it. You want it, bro? Yo, goop.
Guys, I have a die.
Get ready with me
Have a
to
die.
beat my meat. I'll get ready with me
Yo,
to
look,
beat
I
my
have a
meat.
sugar cube.
Yo, you like my
I have
new
a
gun,
sugar
bro?
cube.
Oh my god, let me eat it. Look,
Canine music outro.
Who's that again?
Who is that?
That's racist.